30 days ago, I had no side hustle, no extra income, and honestly no idea what I was doing. Today, I'm making $500 every single month on autopilot using nothing but free AI tools and my phone. No boss, no office, no special skills. And in this video, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step system I built so you can copy it and start making money this week. Stay till the end because I'm going to show you how to scale this to $1,000 and even $2,000 a month once you have the basics down. Let me be real with you for a second. A few months ago, I was stuck. I had a regular job, but the money was never enough. Bills, rent, groceries, it always felt like I was one emergency away from being completely broke. I tried everything to make extra money online. I tried dropshipping, spent 2 weeks setting it up, made 0 sales. I tried print on demand, same story. I even tried crypto, lost money. Every time I watched a YouTube video about making money online, it seemed like everyone was already successful, and I was just behind. And that random question changed everything. I asked ChatGPT, what are the easiest services I can sell online with no experience? The answer it gave me was so simple, I almost laughed. But I decided to try it anyway. And 30 days later, I had made my first $500. Here's exactly what happened and how you can do the same thing. Okay, so phase 1, and this is where most people go wrong, is picking the RIGHT service to sell. Most beginners make the mistake of trying to sell something complicated: web development, graphic design, video editing. These things take months to learn. But here's the secret that nobody tells you. Businesses don't pay for complexity. They pay for results. And there are dozens of simple, result-driven services that take less than 20 minutes to deliver using AI. I went to ChatGPT and typed this exact prompt. What are the top 10 simple services I can sell on Fiverr as a beginner in 2026 that can be done using AI tools in under 30 minutes? ChatGPT gave me a full list. But 3 stood out immediately. Number 1, writing LinkedIn posts for small business owners. Number 2, writing product descriptions for Etsy sellers. Number 3, writing email newsletters for local businesses. All 3 of these are things that business owners desperately need but hate doing themselves. I chose LinkedIn posts. Here's why LinkedIn is growing fast in 2026. Every business owner wants to be on LinkedIn, but nobody has time to post consistently. That is a massive gap, and gaps mean money. Now, how do you actually do the work? That is phase 2. Phase 2 is where AI does the heavy lifting for you. Here's the exact system I use to deliver LinkedIn posts for any client in under 15 minutes. Step 1, I ask the client 3 simple questions. What does your business do? Who is your target customer? What is one problem you solve for them? That is it. 3 questions. Most clients answer in under 5 minutes. Step 2, I take those answers and put them into chat using this exact prompt. Copy this down, it is important. Act as an expert LinkedIn content strategist. I am writing posts for a type of business that helps target customer with problem they solve. Write 5 engaging LinkedIn posts. Each post should be under 200 words. Use a conversational, professional tone. Start each post with a hook that stops scrolling. End each post with a question to boost engagement. Make them sound like a real human wrote them, not AI. Step 3, chat generates 5 complete posts in about 30 seconds. Step 4, I read through each post, make small edits, maybe change a word here or there to match the client's voice. Total time? About 15 minutes. And I charge $45 for this. Think about that. $45 for 15 minutes of work. That is $180 per hour more than most lawyers charge when you break it down. But here's the thing, you cannot make money if you have no clients. So let me show you exactly how I found mine. Phase 3, getting your first paying clients. And I'm going to give you 3 methods I personally used. Method 1, Fiverr. Fiverr is the fastest way to get your first client because people come to you. You do not have to chase anyone. Here is how I set up my gig. Title: I will write 5 professional LinkedIn posts for your business. Price: $25 for the starter pack. Yes, I started cheap. Here's why. On Fiverr, reviews are everything. 0 reviews means 0 trust. So I price low to get my first 3 to 5 reviews fast. Then I raised my price to $45. Then $65. In my Fiverr description, I wrote exactly what the client gets: 5 posts, delivered in 24 hours, 1 free revision. Simple, clear, no fluff. Method 2: Reddit. Reddit is completely free and full of small business owners looking for help. I went to 3 subreddits: r/smallbusiness, r/entrepreneur, and r/forhire. I posted this simple message: I write LinkedIn content for small businesses using proven frameworks. Offering the first post completely free, no strings attached. Drop a comment if you're interested. Within 24 hours, 11 people responded. 3 of them became paying clients. Method 3: LinkedIn itself. This one surprised me the most. I searched for small business owners on LinkedIn, sent them a simple connection request, and then sent this message: Hi name, I noticed you post great content, but not very consistently. I help business owners like you stay active on LinkedIn without spending hours writing. Would you be open to a free sample post? Out of every 10 people I messaged, 3 said yes. And 1 out of those 3 became a paying client. 3 methods. All free. All working in 2026. Okay, let me show you exactly what my 30 days look like. Real numbers. No fluff. Week 1, I set up my Fiverr gig and posted on Reddit. Got 2 clients. Made $50. Honestly, not exciting. But it was proof the system worked. Week 2, my first 2 clients left 5-star reviews on Fiverr. Those reviews brought in 3 more clients automatically. I also got 2 clients from LinkedIn. Made $135 that week. Week 3, I raised my Fiverr price from $25 to $45. Still getting orders. Got a repeat client who wanted posts every week that is now $45, recurring every single week from one person. Made $180 that week. Week 4, things started snowballing. 6 active clients. 2 of them on weekly recurring packages. Made $215 in 1 week. Total after 30 days, $580. I set a goal of $500. I beat it by $80. And the best part? 3 of those clients are still paying me every single week without me having to find new clients. That is the power of recurring income. You do the work once to get the client, then they keep paying you month after month. Now let me show you how to take this from $500 to $1,000 and eventually $2,000 a month. There are 3 levers you can pull. Lever 1: raise your prices. Once you have 10 reviews on Fiverr, raise your price. I went from $25 to $45 to $65. Each jump felt scary, but clients kept coming. Good reviews justify higher prices every single time. Lever 2: add more services. Once LinkedIn posts were working, I added email newsletters to my Fiverr gig. Same system, same AI tools, just a different type of content. That alone added $200 extra per month. Lever 3: get retainer clients. A retainer means a client pays you a fixed amount every month for ongoing work. I offered my best clients a monthly package, 20 LinkedIn posts per month for $150. 3 clients on this package alone equals $450 per month, guaranteed before I even open my laptop. Here is what the math looks like at full scale. 3 retainer clients at $150 each equals $450/month, guaranteed. 10 one-time Fiverr orders at $65 each equals $650/month. Total equals $1,100 per month, working maybe 10 hours a week. Add one more retainer client, you are at $1,250. Add email newsletter services, you cross $2,000. This is not theory. This is exactly the path I am on right now. Before I wrap up, let me save you from the 3 mistakes I made that cost me time and money. Mistake 1: waiting to be perfect. I spent the first week tweaking my Fiverr gig instead of just publishing it. Done is better than perfect. Publish first, improve later. Mistake 2: using 100% AI content without editing. I submitted one batch of posts to a client without reading them properly. The client noticed they sounded robotic and asked for a refund. Always read and edit. Always add a human touch. It takes 5 minutes and saves your reputation. Mistake 3: working with too many clients too fast. In week 3, I took on 8 clients at once. I got overwhelmed, delivered late, and almost lost 2 of them. Start with 3 to 4 clients maximum. Quality over quantity always. Look, building a $500 per month side hustle is not complicated. It is not about being lucky or having special skills. It is about picking one simple service, using free AI tools to deliver it fast, and going out there to find your first client instead of waiting for them to come to you. The hardest part is starting. But once you make that first $45, everything changes. Because now you know it is real. I want you to do one thing after watching this video. Just one. Go to ChatGPT right now and type, "What LinkedIn posts can I write for a type of business, you know?" See what comes out. That is your starting point. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow, so I can keep making videos like this for free. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because next week I am showing you how to get your first Fiverr client in 48 hours with 0 reviews and 0 experience. Drop a comment below and tell me, what service are you going to try first? I read every single comment and I will personally reply to yours. I will see you in the next one.